Hi guys.
Hi, Mommy.
How are you, my babies?
Fine.
Back to school. Back to real. Okay, I want to sing the song. How are you guys?
Good, mommy. How are
You guys good?
Mhm.
Yes. How was church?
Hi.
Don't eat us.
It was alright.
All right.
We are learning.
Omukhetu is asleep.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna do this without her today. How was church, Ole?
That was fine.
How was Sunday school?
That was fine.
What did
What
you
did you
guys
guys
get
do?
up to?
We were just reading God and the disciples, how God and the disciples,
Jesus and the disciples.
Jesus and the disciples,
Mm-hmm.
when Jesus said that when
To cover your mouth, my baby. We love you very much, but you eat us during these live things, my bobs. Yes, Jesus said, or Peter said, yo.
Jesus said that Peter is gonna betray him and they're all gonna say that they don't know, and then Peter's gonna say, I don't know him. He doesn't know him 3 times before the cock crows. The hen, basically.
Yeah, the chicken. The male chicken, yeah, okay.
And then he said, all the other disciples, when they come to arrest Jesus, they're all gonna run away.
Amavag. Okay. So you were reading about that.
So, and then exactly when that happened, no, Jesus said before the cock
Christ
crows,
3 times you'd have.
you'd have told them that you don't know me 3 times.
Jo, imagine angikwazi akikuyitsi angikwazi akuvietni ungasidli baba vala umlomo yo Jehova.
Yeah,
Want
that's
to
all
swallow.
today.
Okay.
Today.
How was first service, my baby?
I'm joking. Today first service was good, man. Today we were talking about faith. Pastor Chris was speaking on faith again. Yeah, he wants to further iterate on it. Like, we all know faith is the belief in things belief
The
in
substance.
things unseen, believe in the substance of things unseen.
Ulisekho stop it.
Yeah, and
It is the foundation.
What was different today was telling us to thank God for the things that happen in our lives, even though unseen, and to thank God for everything in general.
Your heartbeat, I heard him when I was in the passage. Your heartbeat.
Your heartbeat, the fact that you can see, the fact that you can run still, the fact, all of that. And that was basically what stood out to me today, because the rest was something that we went over already a lot of times. So, yeah.
Okay. So it was dwelling in faith, doing it again. Faith is the substance that we need. Without faith, there's no pleasing God. And I saw there when I was reading your notes that if you constantly chow negativity, your faith is going to be affected.
Faith relies on what it hears, negative thoughts, negative thoughts from other people, gossip, music, and all that. It's all very powerful, and it can affect you and how your faith is.
So you need to watch your ear gate. As human beings, we've got gates. Your eyes are a gate to your inner person. Your ears, don't eat us, close your mouth. Yo, Jesus. So yes, faith is very important. Is very important. Second service was a young man, Caleb Hadebe. He chowed it. I read Genesis 16 to 25 last week about Abraham being called by God, him trying to save Lot from Sodom. So he read from Genesis 37 until Genesis 50. Basically, he was telling us the story of Joseph, how he was the favorite child, how he was sold by his own brothers, how they were jealous of the tunic that his father had made for him. So basically what he was saying is that there are times we sit and we worry, is God even around? Does God hear me? You know, you believe, you praise, you pray, and then at night you are the one sitting there crying because things are still not sitting together. So he opted to preach about that today, looking at Joseph's life, so that we need to know that before promotion there will be persecutions, and that we are in pits in some parts of our lives. We are in a pit. You might be in a financial pit, you might be, but then most of the time the people that throw us into those pits are not strangers. They are people that we love. So all he did wrong was tell his brothers of his dreams that he dreamt twice, that he was going to rule over them. And what he really pressed on is that God might tell you, Utsile, that you're going to be a actuarial what or an aerospace, but he does not give you a time that in 2020 what you are going to be this thing. So he did say you're going to rule over your family, Joseph, but he did not give him a timeline. So we always need to trust God, which also comes faith. So the first service and the second service were just collaborating. Faith is very important when we go through trials in life, when we're in our pits, whatever pit you're in. It might be a health pit, might be a financial pit, might be you're struggling with your salvation pit. Whatever pit you are in, never ever let the enemy confuse you into thinking that God is not there. God is there. So he was in a pit. They beat him up and put him there, and then they took the tunic and put some animal's blood and then told their father that he was killed. And the father was, and yeah, which is something else that I always say, the reason why we get to favorite child and whatnot is because we parents tend to lie and say we love you guys the same. I personally don't believe you can love different people the same way. You are Utsile. There's something I love about you that, we gel on. Olesego, there's something I like about her that we gel on. The main fact, you as my children, that I love you guys. But I cannot say I love you the same, because now when you see me and Olesego bonding on her, you're gonna start thinking, it means because I don't have hair, my mom doesn't love me the same. When you see me and Utsile bonding because he's taller than me and he's busy picking me up, and I can't pick you up, or he doesn't pick you up, or whatever the thing is that bonds us together more than it does the next child. So that's why I will always say, but parents tend to, I'm not saying we don't love you, but I'm saying you can't love different people the same way. What we gel on with Oluseho can't be what I gel on. So now when I am gelling with her, you mustn't sit and go, they love her more than me. There are things that me and you have in common. There are things that me and you agree on, and there are things that you and me don't agree on. Same with her, same with Wamukhetu too. So I think that was the nature of the jealousy. But even that, God worked it out for Joseph's good. The main thing, guys, is to not be bitter about it. Because he could have said, I'm back. What were you guys trying to do to me? Look, now you'll be hungry. But he was not like that. And even in that where he was taken to in a way, he was still challenged. The wife accused him of rape. Someone promised him to go give a good word for him to get out. They forgot him for 2 years. But eventually, God will finish the purpose that he created you for. So believe in your purpose. Find it if you haven't found it. Pray about it if you haven't found it. God is faithful to give it to you. It is Faith Monday tomorrow. We need to speak God's protection over you guys, because you are going. That's why I took Psalm 91. I took a verse from Psalm 91 for this week. They that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. They will say of the Lord, He is our refuge. Now, guys, you're going back to term 3. Nothing has changed. The world is still the world. So may the good Lord keep you safe. May you continue to speak safety. Bye, guys. Next week.
Bye.